name is Itoma, and I'm the founder and CTO of Itoma. What we do, we provide you with your world in 3D. And basically we are targeting architecture, construction, interior design, and in general, property market with the range of visualizations, concept design, and 3D modeling solutions to provide, let's say, an easier way for customers to explain their project even before you move the first stone on your construction site. And basically this is our team. So again, we've been working over this project for 2 years. We say basically that, we are, let's say, spread in UK, where we've got our commercial team, in Poland and in Turkey, where we've got our technical team that help us with the development of our solutions. And again, we've been quite active. We are currently cooperating with 3 universities in UK to develop our tech solution, to which I'm going to come in a minute, as well as we have been part of Y Combinator startup school, which helped us, let's say, on the journey, figuring out our business model and so on. So what we do, on this, let's say, very brief example, you can see the range of the existing products that we provide to our customers. So any sort of visualizations, whether interior, exterior, as well as CGIs, so still images, and virtual reality, augmented reality. So basically in the team we've got a person who has been a former let's say, lead for one of the largest construction companies for immersive technologies. And that's exactly where we want to be. We want to be a single stop for all the visualization needs for construction and architecture. We can't do it at the moment. Customer defines the solution, we design, and together we complete. But where we're going, and the purpose of this speech, is to fully automate this solution, building a SaaS tool, software as a service, for collaboration with artificial intelligence and voice interface. And basically why we do it, because there is a big value in simplification of the process in the first place, connecting buyers with sellers for visualizations and getting it right the first time. Basically, construction has approximately £13 billion lost every year exactly on these communications. That's the size of the market. So again, the biggest market in UK, and we are targeting £30 million in year 5, already generating some sales. So we've got team, we've got MVP, as well as market-ready solution, and we've got a number of partnerships. And again, what we are looking for is £500,000 under dual EIS and SCIS, as well as advisors who can help us with go-to-market strategy and get those developers, construction businesses to help us. So thank you very much for listening. My name is Itoma. I'm the founder of Itoma, and please speak with me now if you can help us on our journey. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Your meeting.
Exactly 4 minutes.